In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna on Amazon UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While Klarna is not available as a direct payment option when you reach checkout on Amazon on any region, you will still be able to make purchases using Klarna as the payment method on Amazon. To do this workaround, all that you have to do is, instead of doing this process through Amazon like I described, make sure that you use the Klarna mobile app. In there, you will be able to look for Amazon and access the website for Amazon from the app. When you choose Amazon on the Klarna mobile app, you will be redirected to the Amazon page where you can browse through all of the items available in there. Just add everything that you want to purchase to your basket, and once it is time to proceed to checkout, choose the Pay with Klarna option. Usually, it is going to be a pink or purple button at the bottom of your screen, so you need to tap the option to Pay with K or Pay with Klarna. You will then be redirected to the checkout page, and Klarna will give you the option to generate a one-time use virtual card. Because Klarna is not available directly on the payment options, you need to generate a virtual card that will be used for this specific purchase. You will see how much purchase power you have, and you will be able to select the amount that you are going to be spending. Make sure to include any possible fees or shipping costs, and as soon as you create the card, you will be able to use the card number, expiration date, and security code to finish making this purchase. So just include all of the details about the card, the virtual one-time use card that you just generated, and you will be able to complete this order. It is extremely simple, and all that you have to do is use the latest version of the Klarna mobile app and find Amazon inside of the app. Be redirected to the app and choose the option to pay with Klarna at the bottom of your screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on Amazon UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.